girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have first Blakk here with the song called the Anchor and the Kite, okay? A very nice song there. Fits guitar very well with simple chords, simple strumming pattern, all that. 4 chords only, so let's dive into this one. Cape on first. This is what you see on the fretboard, played here on the first fret, so put that on and let's take a look at the 4 chords: D, A, B minor, and G. So let's start with D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next, A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have B minor. Of course, we need a bar chord here. So that is a bar placed on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string in the bass, just the 5 strings below. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then you have the final G. And that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we'll work with a strumming pattern that is just about 4 down. So it goes... That's 1 string around. 4 downs, pretty fast like that, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's take a look at the verse. So, yeah, it goes D4 and G4, then D4, B minor 1, A1, and G2. That is the first verse. So D4, G4, D4, B minor 1, A1, and G2. Then comes the second verse, and it's played right after this first one. So it's not like a conventional verse, chords like that. We have 2 verses played right after each other. So the second verse, it's exactly the same, but with the difference that the last G goes for 4 rounds instead of 2 rounds, okay? So the second verse is played in the same way: D4, G4, D4, B minor 1, A1, and G4. I can play that for you, and it goes like this. 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, B minor, A, G, 2, 3, 4. That is the second verse, okay? That takes us now to the first chorus. So the chorus goes D4, A4, B minor 2, A2, and G4. You play it for only 1 round here in this chorus. It goes like this. 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B minor 2, A, and that takes us now back to the third verse in the order, so verse number 3. And that one is played the exact same way as verse 2. That means G4 in the end. So that verse number 3 takes us to the second chorus. The second chorus goes in the same way as the first one. It's only the difference here is 2 rounds instead of 1. So D4, A4, B minor 2, A2, G4 times 2. And after the second chorus comes the outro part. You're going to continue the chorus play with the chords, not the play, but the chords. And you're going to play only 1 down per chord now. So D, A, B minor, A, and G, 1 down per chord, and that ends. First Blakk, the Anchor, and the Kites. Cute little song there, fits guitar very well, so give it a try and play tuned.